Want to connect your Wix website to HubSpot for better lead tracking? Here's how to integrate Wix with HubSpot step by step in 2025. Go to your Wix dashboard and open the app Market. Search for HubSpot and click Add to Site. Once added, log in with your HubSpot account or create one if needed. You'll see a prompt asking to connect your Wix site to HubSpot. Click Allow. HubSpot will now sync automatically with your Wix forms, contacts, and analytics. You can manage leads, track page views, and automate emails right from HubSpot. And that's it. Your Wix site is now connected to HubSpot, giving you smarter marketing and CRM tools all in one place for 2025.